Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 9.2.3 on metric modulation, where we keep the macrobeat constant. So last we left off with rhythm, we were looking at metric modulation, where it was all simple or all compound. So we didn't really have to worry about anything other than how many beats were in the measure. Now we're going to start thinking about metric modulation, where we go between simple and compound and figure out how to deal with that. So the first way that composers sometimes use that we're going to look at is keeping the macrobeat constant. This is a familiar concept because it's what happens in combined meter, where you have simple and compound divisions within the same measure. You notate that with some sort of tuplet, like triplets in simple time or duplets in compound time. Da 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 da, where you have divisions into 2 and divisions into 3. Now, we're going to notate that so that it's all just contained to its own measures. So in some ways, this is even easier. You just have to keep your big beat constant 1D, 2, 1D, 2D, 1 keta, 2, 1 keta, 2 keta, and keeping your beat numbers spaced evenly. That's what's going to stay constant. So as a result, the eighth notes get faster because 3 of them now fit in a macrobeat instead of 2. If the composer wants this, they should indicate it with this parenthetical thing where it says the old quarter note equals the new dotted quarter note. Older music sometimes reverses this, where they'll write the new dotted quarter note equals what used to be the quarter note. So either way, if you see 2 unlike note values that are equal whichever order they're in, probably means that the macrobeat should remain constant. So go ahead and check this out, and see you next time.